and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Now that the 14th generation is here, there's no better time to start a fresh new PC or upgrade your current setup with a fresh new motherboard. The Phantom Gaming Z790 Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard is a great way to optimize your components and get the most out of your build. With this motherboard, fast and reliable connectivity and some great bonus features that you just can't get with another board. We'll get into it more in a moment, but first, let's take a look inside the box.
I thought you said to think outside the box.
I did, but it's the product's inside the box, and
But
you know what you do about metaphors?
The metaphors! Metaphor.
Let's unbox this. Let's check out this lightning in a bottle, or box. Oh, yeah. So in here, we have our user manual. And then in here, it looks like we have our two antennas, some screws. And then it looks like you have your SATA cable, an extra pin connector, as well as your thermistor cable as well, an optional option for you. And then in here is our motherboard. Oh, yeah. I can already see the little decals in here, even under the wrapper. The world wants to see you. Lightning only ever strikes once in one place. And if a tree falls in the woods, does anyone hear it? I don't know, there's something there. Oh, yeah. This is such a nice motherboard. I'm glad that it has everything that you're gonna need. This one seems like it has the toolless M.2. Let's see. Oh, yeah. This is gonna start being included in like every motherboard now, but ASRock is some of the first ones doing it. That's so nice. This is gonna be the more affordable option of the new line of motherboards from Phantom Gaming, and I love that it doesn't skimp out on anything. You still have your toolless M.2 and all of your storage options, and that's all there is to it with your brand new motherboard. You're gonna get your user manual, your SATA cable, your extra connectors, and the motherboard itself. So let's talk about it. This ASRock Z790 Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard supports 12th, 13th, and even 14th generation processors with its LGA 1700 socket. But it also comes with a CPU indicator that gives you a quality score based on how well your CPU is running. This motherboard is designed to make sure you're always keeping track of your core components, even when you're overclocking. You'll also make sure your system runs cool with the optimized aluminum heatsink design. Game with confidence, knowing your system will always be running optimally. When it comes to connectivity, there are tons of options depending on how you want to arrange your build. We'll show you a few on the screen here. Left! So hard to get good help these days. Two things I wanted to highlight, there are the auto driver installer and the toolless multi-layer M.2 heatsink. Having built a few PCs in my day, having the ease of a toolless M.2 is a great time saver and makes it that much easier to upgrade if you end up needing more storage down the road. And auto driver installer, especially right when you boot your PC, it's so great to have all your drivers be ready to go real quick. And finally, as for the aesthetic, you'll be able to show off that RGB with polychrome sync. This motherboard comes with multiple RGB elements built right in so you can ensure your entire build reflects your style. Plus, speaking of aesthetics, say goodbye to boring boards, as this motherboard already comes with a fun design built right in. If you're gonna upgrade, fall in love with every part of your build. If you want to kickstart your next great build or upgrade to get all the latest features, head to Newegg and grab your new favorite motherboard.
Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this.
That's right!
Yes, I got it! Be sure to subscribe so you can watch with Tori.
Watch what with Tori?
Watch the boxing of
Forgot the show already? Just go.
I swear I'll pay attention.